Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the difference between blue-chip dividends and high-yield dividends. Number 1. Blue-chip dividends come from large, established, financially strong companies, whereas high-yield dividends come from stocks or funds offering above-average dividend yields. Number 2. Blue-chip dividends mainly focus on stability, quality, and reliability, whereas high-yield dividends mainly focus on maximizing income yield. Number 3. Blue-chip dividends usually offer low to moderate yields, whereas high-yield dividends usually offer moderate to very high yields. Number 4. Blue-chip dividend companies are often mature market leaders with strong brands, whereas high-yield dividend sources can include REITs, utilities, energy firms, BDCs, or even distressed companies. Number 5. Blue-chip dividends are often viewed as safer and more sustainable, whereas high-yield dividends can carry a higher risk of dividend cuts. Number 6. Blue-chip dividends often provide steadier long-term dividend growth, whereas high-yield dividends may offer slower growth or more unstable payouts. Number 7. Blue-chip dividend stocks are often relatively stable in price, whereas high-yield dividend stocks can be more volatile and sensitive to market sentiment. Number 8. Blue-chip dividends generally suit conservative investors with a lower risk profile, whereas high-yield dividends involve a higher risk-reward trade-off. Number 9. Blue-chip dividends usually offer a balanced mix of income and capital appreciation, whereas high-yield dividends place a heavier focus on income rather than price growth. Number 10. Blue-chip dividends often include qualified dividends in many cases, whereas high-yield dividends may more often include payouts taxed as ordinary income depending on the structure. Number 11. Blue-chip dividend companies often hold up better during economic downturns, whereas high-yield dividend investments may be more vulnerable in stressed market conditions. Number 12. Blue-chip dividends are favored by long-term conservative dividend investors, whereas high-yield dividends are favored by income-seeking investors who want stronger immediate cash flow. Number 13. Blue-chip dividends support steady reinvestment and long-term compounding with quality businesses, whereas high-yield dividends may compound faster through larger payouts but usually come with more risk. Number 14. Blue-chip dividends are easier to recognize because of company quality and reputation, whereas high-yield dividends require more careful analysis to avoid yield traps. Number 15. Blue-chip dividends are best known for dependable quality income, whereas high-yield dividends are best known for higher income potential with greater risk. In summary, blue-chip dividends are usually better for investors seeking quality, stability, and dependable long-term income, whereas high-yield dividends are more attractive for investors seeking stronger current income and who are willing to accept higher risk. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.